So one of the things that you can do using ILovePDF is you can go ahead and translate out your PDF document from one language to another by retaining out the layout style easily as well. So to do that, you simply need to go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see that Translate PDF is an option. You can even go around onto PDF Intelligence, and you can see the Translate PDF is an option right here. And what you can also do is go to All PDF Tools and click on Translate PDF. Then what you can simply do is select out the PDF file, and then select out the PDF file right here that you want to go ahead and translate. So let's say I'm going to select this Recloud Presence document right here. And if I were to go ahead and open out, this is what you have, as you can see. So this is an English document, and it detected out that it is in English. And if it doesn't, you can go ahead and select out the language. And then you can go ahead and choose the language that you want to go ahead and translate it to. So I'm going to select Japanese, let's say, for example. Once that is done, you can go ahead and choose whether you want to translate it to text only or keep the layout. You can use Advanced AI, which actually requires AI credits, but I'm going to go ahead and use the free standard AI right here, which is quite good as well. So over here, I'm going to go around and select Keep Layout right here so that it maintains the layout, and select Standard AI and click on Translate PDF. So once you do that, you can see it says translating, and now it does take a bit of time depending on the length of the document that you have as well. And it says, do not close your browser right here and wait until your files are uploaded and processed. It might take a few minutes. You do need to go ahead and be patient and wait for a while for the translation to happen now. And now you can see it says the PDF has been translated, and it downloads it out for you. You can even go ahead and share it, save it in Dropbox and so forth. But anyways, you can see that this is the translated document now. So you can see that this is what you have. All the designs and everything is retained, and everything else now is in Japanese. So if I were to go around over here and open up, let's say, for example, the original file right here. So let's try to go ahead and open it. So it's Recloud right here, just like this. So Recloud Presence. So let's just go ahead and open. And you can see that this is the original document right here. So this is the original one, and this is a translated one right here. And you can see that the design is maintained, and only the language right here has changed out right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and translate out PDF files easily using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.